Hello, welcome replay viewers. I am in Bahawalpur, Pakistan right now. Hi everyone, thank you. Thank you for joining me. Let the people come and see this beautiful kebab. This place is one of the best places in Pakistan. Hi, assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam Farhanaz, how are you? Hey everyone, welcome. It was Ramadan in Pakistan, so I was not able to come live sooner. So I'm at tikka joint in Bahawalpur, Pakistan. It's raining, drizzling a little bit, as you can see on the street. These are the streets. What's good with you? Everything is good. It is Ramadan and I have some tikka kebabs in front of me. This is beautiful tikka. This is Hamid chef. He is preparing some nice tikka. Yeah, it's making me hungry too. He's making some kebabs. Look at the skill of his hands. He's making some kebabs and putting them on fire. This is awesome. This kebab is gonna be. I'm still fasting, and this is making you hungry. Oh, I thought we have had iftar a few hours ago. I didn't realize that it's the time for you to have. So how much time is left in your iftar? Yes, share it. Okay. Hi Simon, how are you? I'm with Hamid. He's a great chef. He makes good tikka kebab and more than 3 hours. So I'm really sorry for coming live at this time for you. You can watch the replay after the iftar once these kebabs are ready. Look at the shiny glimmer on them. This chicken has been marinated in for like 5 to 6 hours, and then it is being placed on low fire. This is wood coal you are looking there. Yes, it's night over here, and this very late in night, it's drizzling outside. So even in the light drizzling. Hello Munna, hello Desi Pickle, how are you? I miss you guys. Yeah, Munna bhai. So I'm with Chef Hamid, and he's one of the greatest chefs in this country to make good kebab and tikka for you guys. You missed me, really? My God. It was Ramadan and I was not able to go outside. There was no food to show. So, yeah. Nice. Your city, Texas. How have you been? I've been good. I've been better, but I've been good. So, thank you, Simon. Thank you for missing me. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak to you, Ninja, as well. My mouth, and the weather is very fine. It's cold, and this light wooden fire is making me cool. I'm all wet in the rain, you know. Hello from Russia. Hello from Pakistan. Finishes on Saturday. Yeah, it finishes on Saturday, and then we can have all the food in the world. This is a kebab place, a typical kebab joint, and you can see, hey, I saw your scopes. Okay. This is beautiful. This is food pond, and so this is the roadside food in Punjab, Pakistan. I'm in Bahawalpur right now. Have you got featured yet? No, I have not been featured. It's raining and I'm outside, and you see this, he has a little chimney here with him, and yeah, I'm doing it on Facebook now. I have created a page with Pakistan Foodies, and I go live there as well, because I don't think they love me here on Periscope. So I go live on Pakistan Foodies. That's my page. If you go on Facebook, you can find Pakistan Foodies. That's a group basically. It's a group of foodies who share food pictures. Yeah, please follow that group, Pakistan Foodies, and on Facebook. I go live there daily, and I show a lot of food. Yeah, because I don't get a lot of love on Periscope from the Periscope. They don't feature me. I work very hard for these scopes. Yeah, food boy. Yeah, I love food and I love sharing my food with you. Yeah, they show how to make things, how to make Pakistani cuisines. If you go to the page, they'll show you. So this is very nice food. You can see how this raw meat is turning into some really nice kebabs. It's raining and I'm at the street and I can have, so yeah, you can show us your foods. It's very easy. Yeah, kebab rolls are good. Kebab rolls are really good.
Really good, sir. Kebab roll, chicken roll. लेकिन आज बारिश की वजह से
Hamid is saying that due to rain, आज बारिश की वजह से we don't have the kebab and paratha rolls, so you can only have kebabs. She understands Hindi. Yeah, I know some of you guys do understand Hindi. So this is really awesome. This is kebab. This is lamb or chicken? Is this lamb or chicken? Mutton है कि chicken है?
Chicken.
This is chicken.
Chicken or beef?
Chicken and beef.
हाँ जी, 2 पीस लगेगा.
आपको हिंदी उर्दू आती है? Yes, I know how to speak Hindi and Urdu and Farsi and a lot of others. So, hi Turkish guy, how are you? Thank you for sharing and retweeting my broadcast. Thank you very much everyone. Please follow me. I show you the food of Pakistan and everything that goes with it. So this is a very busy shop here. Even though it's raining outside, you can see the rain, and he has a shade over here, but I think I'm totally drenched in this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Quality कैसी है? Quality कैसी? Awesome. This is very spicy. This is full of spice. The chicken has been marinated for 6 to 8 hours, and after that it is being cooked on wooden coal. This coal is made of wood, so This is a beautiful. This is what a typical kebab joints in Pakistan look like. They make good paratha rolls, kebabs and tikka. If you ever come to Bahawalpur, do come to this shop near Punjab Bank. This is called Lazat, kada. When you land from airport, you can come right here and have this kebab. So thank you very much for joining me. I'm totally drenched in rain, and I'll have to close this to change to another t-shirt. And please follow me. I'll show you something else on the yeah, Philip, how are you? Take care, bye bye. Because my handset is getting wet in the rain, and I don't want to lose it. Take care, bye bye. Please follow me, everyone, and I'll meet you in the next broadcast. Take care, bye bye.